Winter is here, and for motorcycle enthusiasts in Nepal, it means chilly rides, slippery roads, and frosty mornings. But don't let the cold weather put a freeze on your passion for riding. In today's video, we'll walk you through essential winter motorcycle maintenance tips to keep your bike running smoothly and safely.
And today we're talking about how to keep your motorcycle in top condition during the Nepali winter. Whether you're riding in the cold valleys or preparing for a mountain adventure, these tips will ensure your bike doesn't let you down. First things first, always warm up your engine before riding. In winter, engine oil thickens due to the cold, making it harder for the engine to perform. Start your bike and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes to get the oil circulating. This ensures smoother performance and prevents unnecessary wear and tear. Speaking of engine oil, make sure you're using a winter-grade oil that's suitable for colder temperatures. Check your bike's manual for recommendations or ask your local mechanic for advice. In Nepal, many riders prefer semi-synthetic or synthetic oils for better performance in the cold. Cold temperatures can drain your battery faster than usual. Check the terminals for corrosion and ensure they're tightly connected. If your battery is older than 2 years, consider replacing it before it leaves you stranded. For long-term storage, disconnect the battery and keep it indoors. Tires lose air pressure in cold weather, which can affect your grip on the road. Check your tire pressure regularly and inflate it to the recommended level. If you're riding in icy or snowy areas, consider switching to tires with better winter traction or use chains if necessary. Winter moisture can cause rust on your bike's moving parts, like the chain, cables, and levers. Use a good quality lubricant to protect them. Regular lubrication not only prevents rust, but also keeps your bike performing at its best. If your bike is parked outside, invest in a waterproof and windproof cover. This protects it from frost, snow, and rain, which can damage the paint and metal parts. If possible, park your bike in a covered area to minimize exposure. Winter roads can be slippery, so your brakes need to be in perfect condition. Check the brake pads and rotors for wear and tear. If you notice any issues, replace them immediately. Remember, proper braking can save lives, especially in tricky conditions. Salt and dirt from winter roads can cause corrosion over time. Wash your bike regularly and dry it thoroughly to prevent rust. Pay special attention to the undercarriage, where most grime accumulates. In winter, it's always smart to carry emergency supplies, like a basic toolkit tire repair kit and a flashlight. Also, pack some warm clothing and gloves in case you face unexpected delays on the road. And there you have it, bikers. With these winter maintenance tips, your motorcycle will be ready to tackle the Nepali winter, whether you're riding through the Kathmandu Valley or venturing into the mountains. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Cut to hosts starting the bike and riding off into the sunset.
Ride safe, stay warm, and keep your passion for biking alive. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more biking tips.